In many situations, police may legally search your car even without your permission. And if you don't understand the law, you could accidentally make the situation much worse. Today, we're breaking down when police can search your vehicle, when they legally cannot, the biggest mistakes drivers make, what to say during a traffic stop, and how your rights actually work in the real world. Because one wrong move can turn a simple traffic stop into a nightmare. Part 1. The big question. So, can police search your car without permission? The answer is yes, sometimes, but not always. In the United States, the Fourth Amendment protects people from unreasonable searches and seizures. That means police usually need your consent, probable cause, or legal exception. Cars are treated differently than houses under the law. Why? Because vehicles can quickly move away. Courts have ruled that officers sometimes don't need a warrant to search a vehicle, but that does not mean police can search any car anytime they want. There are rules, and understanding those rules could protect your freedom. Part 2. When police can legally search your car. 1. You give consent. This is the most common reason. An officer asks, "Do you mind if I take a look inside?" If you say, "Sure, go ahead," "I guess so," you just gave consent. And once you consent, you may lose the ability to challenge the search later in court. Many people don't realize you are usually allowed to say no, politely, calmly, without arguing. Example, "Officer, I do not consent to any searches." That sentence matters a lot. 2. Probable cause. Police can search your vehicle without permission if they have probable cause, meaning they reasonably believe evidence of a crime is inside the car. Examples may include smell of drugs or alcohol, visible weapons, illegal items in plain view, suspicious behavior, open containers, admissions by passengers. If probable cause exists, officers may search areas related to that suspected crime. For example, if police suspect illegal drugs, they may search places where drugs could be hidden. 3. Search incident to arrest. If you're arrested during a traffic stop, police may search parts of the vehicle connected to that arrest, especially if they believe evidence is inside or officer safety is involved. Example, if someone is arrested for illegal weapons possession, officers may search areas where weapons might be accessible. 4. Plain view doctrine. If illegal items are clearly visible from outside the car, police may not need your permission. For example, drugs on the seat, open alcohol containers, illegal weapons visible through the window. If officers can legally see it, that can justify further action. 5. Inventory searches. If your vehicle gets impounded, police may conduct an inventory search. This is supposedly done to document property, protect valuables, and avoid claims of theft. But inventory searches often uncover evidence of crimes. And yes, those discoveries can still be used against you. 6. Canine dog alerts. A trained police dog alerting to drugs can sometimes provide probable cause for a search. But here's something important. Police usually cannot extend a traffic stop for an unreasonable amount of time just to wait for a dog. This issue has been heavily debated in courts. Part 3. When police may not have the right. Now, let's talk about situations where police may not legally search your vehicle. This is where many people get confused. An officer cannot search your car simply because you look nervous, you refused consent, you asked for a lawyer, you stayed silent, you questioned the stop respectfully. Those actions alone are not crimes, and refusing consent does not automatically create probable cause. That's important because many people think, if I say no, I'll look guilty. But legally, asserting your rights is not supposed to be evidence of guilt. Part 4. What you should do during a traffic stop. Stay calm. Your attitude matters. Do not yell, threaten, insult officers, make sudden movements, even if you believe the stop is unfair. Keep your hands visible. Turn on interior lights at night.
Keep your hands where officers can see them. This reduces tension immediately. Provide required documents. In most places, drivers must provide driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance. Refusing basic identification requirements may escalate the situation. If asked to exit the vehicle. In many situations, police can legally order drivers out of the vehicle during a stop. Do not physically resist. You can comply while still protecting your rights. If asked for consent to search, stay calm. Use simple language. Example, "Officer, I do not consent to any searches." That's it. Do not argue. Do not fight. Do not physically interfere. Because even an illegal search should be challenged later in court, not on the roadside. Part 5. Biggest mistakes people make. Talking too much. People often talk themselves into trouble. Nervous drivers sometimes overshare, contradict themselves, admit things accidentally. Remember, anything you say may be used against you. Physically resisting. Never physically resist a search, even if you believe it's illegal. That can lead to arrest, additional charges, and dangerous escalation. Consenting without realizing it. Some people accidentally give permission by saying, "I guess, maybe, whatever, fine." Officers may interpret that as consent. Be clear. Believing internet myths. Social media is full of fake legal advice. Not every viral video is legally accurate. Laws vary by country, state, situation, court rulings. Part 6. Important reality check. Here's the truth many people don't want to hear. Your rights in theory and what happens on the side of the road can feel very different. Even if a search later gets ruled illegal, that may happen months later in court. The roadside is not the place to win a legal argument. Your priority should be staying safe, staying calm, and avoiding escalation, protecting your legal position. That's why lawyers often recommend, don't consent, don't resist, don't incriminate yourself. Simple, calm, controlled. So, can police search your car without permission? Sometimes, yes, but only under specific legal conditions. Understanding your rights could make a massive difference during a traffic stop. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe for more legal and police rights content, and comment below. Have you ever been pulled over by police? Stay informed, stay calm, and know your rights.